Welcome. In front of me is an OSCAL Tiger 12, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, performing such a reset will allow you to get rid of screen locks as an example, if you have one set that you don't know. I did set up a screen lock here, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know it. Now, before I do so, I am going to quickly mention that in most cases, doing such a thing will result in device being FRP locked. And just to explain what that is it's basically a lock which, when you're going through the setup, you'll be forced to verify either the previously used screen lock or the Google account that was signed in on the device prior to the reset. So now that you're aware of that, we can progress. Anyway, we're gonna first hold our power button and we're gonna select power off. And once the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. And after a moment of holding those, you will feel a vibration, at which point you want to let go of the power button. This will boot us into boot mode. In here, using volume up, you want to make sure that the first option is selected, so just look at that arrow that is right here. It's going to jump all the way to the top like this, which means that it's at the very top, meaning selected recovery mode. I'm going to do that once more so you can see it jump, and then once it's there, press volume down to confirm it. This will then boot us into recovery mode, in which we can use both of the volume buttons now to navigate. And with that in mind, we're going to start pressing volume down to navigate it down in order to select wipe data factory reset. Once it's selected, confirm it with the power button and select factory data reset. It's going to start formatting data and then give you a message data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default. So press power button once again to reboot the device. Now this will continue the reset of the device in the background, so the device will boot up a little bit longer than typical power on. So just be patient, it's completely normal. Once that is the case, meaning once it boots up, we should be then presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, this is our setup screen, so the process is now finished. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.